Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting product to review that can elevate your cooking experience. It's the CUCKOO Twin Pressure Rice Cooker. We found this fantastic rice cooker online, and we've added the link in the description below so you can check out the latest price and availability. Now, let's dive into what this product is all about. The CUCKOO CRP-RT0609FB is a versatile rice maker and warmer, designed to cook up to 6 cups of uncooked rice, which amounts to about 12 cups of perfectly cooked rice. This rice cooker offers a range of features that make it stand out in the crowded market of kitchen appliances. One key highlight of the CUCKOO rice cooker is its 14 menu options, which allow you to prepare various types of rice and dishes. You can easily make GABA rice, mixed rice, glutinous rice, porridge, and even baby food. The LED display is user-friendly, letting you navigate through the different settings with ease. What sets this rice cooker apart is its twin pressure feature. This allows you to select between high pressure and non-pressure cooking, depending on your preferences. If you're in a hurry, the high pressure setting can significantly speed up the cooking process, while the non-pressure setting is great for more delicate dishes. The CUCKOO rice cooker is also equipped with advanced technology. It features fuzzy logic and an intelligent cooking algorithm that can automatically detect the grain type, temperature, and cooking time. This means you can set it and forget it, with the confidence that your food will be cooked perfectly every time. Plus, it offers adjustable keep warm temperatures and reheating options, keeping your meals hot and ready to serve. When it comes to quality, the CUCKOO rice cooker does not disappoint. It has an X-wall diamond-coated inner pot that provides optimal temperature and heat distribution, ensuring that every grain is cooked evenly. The non-stick, non-scratch surface makes cleanup a breeze, and the one-touch cover lid release button is a thoughtful design feature that adds to its convenience. Safety is crucial in any kitchen appliance, and CUCKOO has taken this seriously. The rice cooker features automatic steam and pressure emission, a lid locking device, and auto temperature control. These safety mechanisms make it easy to use, even for those who may be new to cooking. So, who is this rice cooker suitable for? It's ideal for busy families who appreciate the convenience of a multifunctional appliance. If you love experimenting with different rice dishes, or you have dietary needs like preparing baby food or specific grain types, this cooker has you covered. It's also perfect for anyone looking to save time in the kitchen without compromising on quality. In practical use, imagine coming home after a long day and having this rice cooker ready to prepare a warm, delicious meal. You can set it up with your desired rice and let it do the work while you focus on other tasks or relax. Whether you're making dinner for the family or prepping food for the week, the CUCKOO rice cooker simplifies the process significantly. In summary, the CUCKOO Twin Pressure Rice Cooker combines versatility, safety, and ease of use, making it a fantastic addition to any kitchen. If you're looking for a reliable and efficient way to prepare rice and other dishes, this cooker is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe.